Stunning, isn't it? Yes, that was the view from the deck of my impressive Canopy Machan. Built on the edge of a cliff, our Canopy Machan had a beautiful and uninterrupted panoramic view overlooking another mountain and a dense green valley below. Hello and welcome to the second part of our 3-night stay at the Machan, a luxury forest getaway in the Jambolne jungle near Lonavala. In our previous video, we had taken you around the property and shared a glimpse of the tasty food that they serve at the restaurant there. Just in case you have missed watching it, click on the link above. In today's video, we'll show you how a Canopy Machan looks like, a tour of the spa in the property, and 2 refreshing cocktails that we whipped up on the deck of our gorgeous Machan. From the time we entered through the main gate of the resort till the time we reached our Machan, we walked through a path covered in lush greenery. As we reached the base of our Machan, I came face to face with my worst enemy, a staircase. Upon reaching the top though, it all seemed worth it. The location and the expansive view from atop was a sign how seriously the privacy of the guest is valued and how much the resort encourages their guests to simply enjoy and be one with nature. As soon as we entered the Canopy Machan, we were stunned by the openness of the room. The room had a beautiful amalgamation of woodwork and glass panels and provided a magnificent view of the landscape on 3 sides. The minimalist design of the Machan was something that appealed to us a lot. Our Machan had glass panels on 3 sides, which meant the room was lit up by natural sunlight through most part of the day. The bathroom too was very spacious and well designed. It also had a glass panel on one side which gave a view of the dense forest. My favorite spot though was the spacious deck which overlooked the valley. We were now prepared to spend our next 2 evenings encompassed in the cool breeze, standing on our open deck which was so thoughtfully designed to give us some much needed uplifting and rejuvenating moments. know, by now you guys must be planning your next trip to Lonavala and a stay at the Machan. To help you guys plan better, I'll tell you more about the charges per night at the various Machans within the property. So, stay tuned. The resort organizes few activities for its guests, like bird watching, stargazing and campfire. But due to the weather conditions, they were temporarily closed. So we spent most of our time trekking along the nature trail. On day 2 of our stay at the Machan, we booked a session at the spa. We both needed some pampering after the long trek that we had taken. The spa is located at a quiet spot in the resort, and the spa rooms like the Machan are also designed to give you a view of the enchanting forest along with some much needed relaxation. The spa offers many services. We chose to go for a deep tissue massage which cost us about 2,500 per head. After the relaxing session at the spa, we decided to enjoy a nice drink in the privacy of our deck. The first drink that we made is our version of the popular cocktail, the screwdriver. To begin with, we had some orange and cinnamon infused vodka that we had prepared earlier at home. You just had to add a few orange peels and 2 inches of cinnamon to about 300 ml of vodka. For the drink, pour 60 ml of this orange infused vodka in a tumbler. Then go ahead and add 60 ml of fresh orange juice. Then add a few ice cubes. Close the lid of the tumbler and give it a nice shake. Bring out a really cool glass to serve your drink. Now place a few ice cubes in the glass and strain the vodka into it. Come behind with either simple soda or an orange flavored soda like we did. Finish off by garnishing with a lovely orange peel and a straw. Our second drink, my friends, is a really yummy one. We call it the cranberry rush. For this, in a tumbler, add half an inch of ginger, a wedge of lime and 30 ml of lemon juice. Now muddle it really well. Then add a few ice cubes and 60 ml of any vodka of your choice. Close the lid of the tumbler and shake really well. In a nice glass, add a few ice cubes and strain the vodka into it. Now come behind with some cranberry breezer. Garnish it with a lemon wedge and a nice straw. And there you have it, 2 yummy drinks that you can make on your next trip. Cheers! I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed filming it during our trip. Before I share the information on the charges per night, please do give this video a like and share with us the detail of any other location which is as magical as the Machan in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then go ahead and click the subscribe button now. If you have subscribed, then hit the notification bell and get notified about our upcoming videos. Now let me give you the details of the charges per night at the Machan. The Machan has just 25 rooms. There are about 8 different types of Machan and the prices begin from 9,500 per night for the Woods Machan and goes up to 25,000 per night excluding taxes for the Heritage Machan. Our stay at the Canopy Machan cost us about 17,500 per night including taxes. I would like to mention here that this is an experience you must indulge in if all you want is some quiet and relaxed time away from all the hustle and bustle of the city. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye, take care.